Hey guys, Ralph here. True Power Trumpet Fitness, and welcome to Wonderful Wednesday. Life's good, baby. Did you see the thumbnail? Yeah. My forms and my emails have been blowing up. Okay, I'm going to give you what I got. Okay, I am going to write a book. I hope to get it in soon, within the next week, 10 days. It won't be 10 pages. Okay, I'll charge you $10, just whatever. But this is it, okay? And I'm telling you right now, I have not perfected it yet. But this is it, okay? It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I've never played this early. I have not played a note, and I'll show you what we got. Now, if that spit buzz doesn't sound freer to you over the laptop, there's nothing I can do. It's unbelievable how easy that is, okay? Let's see what we got. All right. Double C is bigger and wide open, louder than I've ever played before in my life. 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay? And then go right down, as you know, the whole routine. A lyrical thing. Now, here's the thing. Every articulation was a cough. Every articulation for the rest of my life is going to be a cough articulation. And I'm not saying this is what Harry James did. I'm not saying what anybody, I'm not saying, probably nobody else has done it. At 25% capacity, this may be Jerry's last contribution to the trumpet world. Now, what's going to happen is this. It feels very, very awkward to me for a couple of reasons. First of all, as before, I was getting all my control and compression right up there at the tip with pressure, with firm tongue. And there's no question that worked. I got astounding results with that. Okay? But that is no longer the point of compression. The point of compression is back in the throat with the cough. Now, here's the thing. You would think, and this is all going to be down in the book, you would think it would restrict the throat. And I've laid it on 2 people already, and the 3 of us and Jerry and everybody agree it does exactly the opposite. It completely opens up the throat. It's unbelievable how it opens up the throat. You'd think you'd have a sore throat. You think you'd have a sore neck. No, it's like a massage on the neck. Okay? Now, here's the thing. The tongue, even though I never think about the tip of the tongue anymore, which is amazing, I'm thinking about the tongue in the back. And it's not in the E syllable. That's not clog. It's not, no, that's not it. It's wide open. I can't begin to tell you how wide open my throat and everything is. Okay? Now, it was wide open before, muscularly and whatnot, but with the compression right up here, it would back up compared to what I'm doing now. Okay? Now this, don't get me wrong, was revolutionary, and I still absolutely believe that that's what Harry James was doing. I don't think he was doing this completely. He may have been. Hard to tell. Okay? The only thing that holds you back, well, again, it feels awkward because you're controlling it in a different place. Now, that's another thing. My corners are so relaxed, so relaxed. It's unbelievable. And my lips feel fabulous. They feel like really there is no pressure on them at all. Okay? So, where am I getting the control? Now, it is not, if you think of Arbin, and I'm a big Arbin guy, when he does the multiple tongue, ku, and he puts a ku, don't think of syllables. The minute you think of a syllable, ku, you are trying to coerce the tongue into a place, a position that it's not supposed to be. Okay? Don't think syllables. It is a cough. Now, back when I was doing the spit buzz, tongue forward, I would teach multiple tonguing, spit and cough. Now I'm thinking all cough. Now, it is not an air attack. It will feel that way sometimes. If you feel like you get no compression at all with that. The tongue is still the main thing. And what you do, I don't want to be gross. It is pressed way back against the side of the teeth. And I don't have to do anything. I'm not thinking about anything to make the tone go up. As opposed to pushing down harder the tongue. Now, in that regard, it will feel like the trumpet is completely out of control. Okay? If I had a job yesterday night, I'd be worried because I'd be clamming all over the place because I wouldn't know how to do it. Today, not so much. It's better every single day. The only thing that I really have to get is the speed back on the multiple tongue. Now, here's as fast as I can do. I'll go do the Arbin Carnival of Venice. As opposed to no, it doesn't. It's not that fast. Jerry has it cooking better than Del Stagers. He's been doing this about 3 weeks. I'm telling you, his spit buzz is better and faster and cleaner than Del Stagers. And he assures me, within a week, 2 weeks at the most, I'm going to be killing what I was doing before. And guys, as you know, I never thought that possible. I was trying to get a triple C very half-heartedly. I didn't really care. I had every single thing that I wanted it, and I was very comfortable with where I was. And he's been trying to get me to do this for 3 weeks. And I haven't been able to do it. I just haven't been able to bring myself to do it. It wasn't until today's Wednesday, Monday. All right, Jerry, I'll call you back in 20 minutes. And I was ecstatic. Ecstatic. All right? Now, and again, I feel uncomfortable doing this now with my students and everything because this is still a work in progress for me. But I do feel comfortable, depending on what the job was. I could go on a job tonight and feel very comfortable. Up to double C, tone, power, range, endurance. There would be no problem with that. Again, I would feel a little uncomfortable with the clams. If it was a very delicate thing, I might, have a sleepless night or whatever, little nerves. And if it was a big multiple tonguing thing, that would be an issue now. He assures me in 2 weeks, the multiple tonguing is going to be better than ever. And again, to listen to him do it, Jerry, that is, over the phone, I can't believe he's not tonguing. But it is so clean, so powerful, so fast. I know he's doing something different. So I believe him, but I was so skeptical that you could ever get a triple tongue to go that fast. Now, once again, if I was doing slower stuff, Mahler and all this sort of stuff, I would be fine. It's just, Carnival of Venice, Napoli, things like that. I'm not there yet. Now, here's the deal. And Jerry implored me. And I'm unfortunately, I'm not doing what he told me to do. You have to go slow. Simple, simple tunes. America, my country 'tis of thee. I mean, please, go back to the Armin book and go to the duets. Adeste Fidelia. That is what you're after. Scales, Clark number 2, tongue them all for the time being, okay? And you will be amazed. Now, guys, I'm going to be away. I'm leaving in about 20, as soon as I get this uploaded. I'm leaving to go up to Maine to help my mother. The last time I was up here, her Wi-Fi was not great, okay? So I may be off the grid until I get back on Saturday. In which case, if I am gone for 2 days, I will definitely make a video on Saturday. But please, what I want you guys to do, fool around with it. Give it 20 minutes. Just really force yourself to do it. If you have the 1SS and the 1SB, that's another thing. And I hate to be harping on it, guys, but if you try to do this with a Bach mouthpiece, you're just going to get sucked right in. You have no chance with a Bach mouthpiece. Okay? Now, and give me some feedback. Give me thoughts at the forum. Email me. Okay? I may not be able to make a video, but I will have my phone and whatnot. And if I don't get back to you right away, I will do it over the weekend. Okay? Now, this is a work in progress, guys, and I want your feedback. Okay? This is the True Power Nation who's already started with this. And the amazing thing is, guys, this still works. But it is absolutely super relaxed and super, super dormant. It doesn't move. It doesn't move. Phenomenal. He can't even play anymore, and he came up with this. Guys, if you don't think we were in the presence of a genius, think again. Anyway, that's that. I may be done until the weekend, so in that time, keep in touch, please, and let me know what you think. Eat your fruits and vegetables and live your life with true power. Love you all.